ஒரு கதை சொல்லட்டா சார்?
Hello, my name is Soundarajan. I'm an educator, entertainer, and a storyteller. Welcome to Soundar Speaks Kutti story number 19. Anyone who's just not taking actions or pursuing with the passion because of lack of facilities or lack of money, or you cannot say lack of time, but anything is stopping you, today's story will for sure inspire you to take immediate action. Today's story is about Prem Ganapati, who is the founder of Dosa Plaza. Prem Ganapati was born in Tamil Nadu, a small district called Thoothukudi. After completing 10th, he went to Chennai to try out a small job. After staying for a year, he couldn't get a proper job, so he moved with his friend to Mumbai. When he reached Mumbai, he had only 100 rupees in his pocket, so he searched for a job around, and finally he got a job in a bakery washing utensils for about 150 rupees per month salary. He continued to work there and wanted to do something with the restaurant or food industry. So he set up a small thela, which is famously called in Mumbai, across opposite to Vasi station. So slowly, for about a year and a half to 2 years, he was doing that job, and he developed the taste service. So people started liking it. He took a shop for about 25,000 rupees rent per month and set up first Dosa Plaza shop, and that worked like a magic. He continued to have Dosa Plaza there, and first shop 1991 he set up a shop. For 10 years he was doing shop very nicely, having 26 variety of dosas, right from Shezwan's dosa to chocolate dosa. And then Dosa Plaza in 2001 set up their first shop in a mall. That's how from a 150 rupees salaried person became an entrepreneur. So the first shop was set up in a mall, and they developed and started doing franchisees also, maintaining the same standards. And right now Dosa Plaza, you can search it on the web also, has 72 outlets, and also the outlets are in UAE, Singapore, Malaysia. That's how a person from 150 rupees right now stands at a 30 crore worth of empire called Dosa Plaza. Why a person having 150 rupees became an entrepreneur worth of 30 rupees? Did he had money in his hand? Did he had facilities in his hand? All he did was work towards his vision, goal, and step by step he became what he famously known as a founder of Dosa Plaza. If he can do it, why we can't? What is it stopping us? Why are we not trying out? Why are we sitting across thinking that there are opportunities which is not there? I agree that because of COVID, the opportunities are less, but anyone who's grabbing that opportunity, if you don't, then they will. So I would suggest that if you have a plan in mind, if you have a goal in mind, go with the action plan and take action today. If you don't take it today, then somebody else will. So I would again keep an inspiring story like Prem Ganapati for you to get inspired and take actions today. Thank you so much for watching this story, and I hope I'll continue to search and tell you the stories which will inspire you to take actions. Thank you so much once again. Have a wonderful day.